Hi, I'm Phil, and today we're going to continue with motor drive projects in session 4 of the seniors robot course. So let's go and have a look at what projects we've already looked at. So we go to projects, and we've done motor design. We've looked at the atomic base, and we've done 2 projects on that. We've done Arduino motors, the carousel ride, and today we're going to look at using the M5Stack Fire Computer to control DC motors. So let's have a look at the project. On the desktop, it looks like this. We've got a fire computer on the bottom, and on the top we've got 2 KittenBot motors, DC motors, and they're driving Lego wheels with tires on them. So that's what it looks like. And in a little bit more detail, you can see how I've painted the screen on the Fire computer. We want to drive 2 DC motors, and we have the capability of driving an additional 4 servos. That won't be included in the demo, but it can easily be added. Hardware-wise, from M5Stack, the computer we're using is the Fire computer. And the module that sits on top of the Fire computer is called the GoPlus 2 module. We might have a bit of a look at that now, and what it is. So it can drive 2 DC motors. It has additional ports for port B, and those ports can drive GPIO devices. It's got a battery, and it can also drive 4 servos. That's what it looks like when you purchase it, and those pins connect to the Fire computer. Cost-wise, it's $23.90 US, and applications, you would use it in things like where you want a motor in your projects. And features, well, the interfaces, it's got the 2 DC motors, 4 servos. It's also got an IR transmit and receive in addition to the port B, the battery and the controller. I'm also going to use motors, and they come from Key Studio. They're the 2 kilogram DC motors, and they're the ones that I'm using. They're revved down compared to the previous motors I've used. Lego, I'll be using a Lego base and a power. As an option, you could use Lego power function motors, and I'm using Lego pins to put everything together. Software-wise, I'm using from M5Stack on their website, UI Flow version 1 this time. And this is what it looks like on the screen. So you paint the screen, and this comes from one of their demo programs. So I've modified that. And the source code, here we are. Not a lot in it. When I press button A, B, or C on the bottom of the Fire, we set the servo to different angles. So we've got servo 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got the motors. So we're controlling all those devices from this very simple software arrangement. And results-wise, well, it worked, and I was able to control the DC motors without any problems. Stay tuned, and we'll have a look at the desktop demonstration of that. But before we do that, we might go across to M5Stack and have a look at the shop. And here's our GoPlus. You'll notice the price has actually come down compared to the price I showed previously. This is the M5Stack Fire Computer, and it's hosting a GoPlus DC motor module. And the module's actually connected to the Fire. So it's the next layer down, or the middle layer. And what we have are two DC motors, and these are Lego compatible. So we've got Lego wheels, and we're connected to the motor port on the GoPlus 2 module. Okay, so let's give it a demonstration. To start motor 1 and the servos. I haven't got the servos connected, but they also can be connected to this port on the front, and we can get up to 4 of those. So we'll go ahead and start the first one. So there's motor 1, and I'll press the middle button and we'll get motor 2, and we can stop all the motors on button C. And that's a demonstration of Fire with the GoPlus 2 DC motor and servo module.